are doing something magical. Ever wondered why they change from green to red, yellow, or even more colors? Hi everyone, I'm your good friend, Dodo. Welcome to Dodo Science Corner. We've got tons of fun science facts. Let's explore the wonders of nature.
Why do leaves change color?
Are you ready? Let's start our science adventure today. Have you ever noticed how the colors of leaves change with the seasons? Today, let's discover the magical science behind it together.
Spring.
In winter, many trees look bare and lifeless, but once spring arrives, something amazing happens. Tiny buds start to pop out from the branches. Soon, they grow into bright green leaves. That's because of a special thing inside the leaves called chlorophyll. It's like a green jacket that covers the whole leaf. But it's more than just color. It helps leaves soak up sunlight to make food for the tree. Did you know when baby plants first sprout, their leaves are sometimes pale yellow, but once they catch some sun, they slowly turn green.
Summer.
In summer, the sun shines the brightest, chlorophyll works its hardest, and leaves become super green. It's like the leaves are little energy factories, working non-stop to absorb sunlight.
Fall.
As fall comes around, things start to change. Trees stop making so much chlorophyll. The green fades away, and beautiful reds, oranges, and yellows appear.
Winter.
When the cold of winter arrives, trees go into rest mode. They stop sending food to the leaves, so the leaves dry up and fall off. Only bare branches are left behind. But not all trees lose their leaves. Pine trees have needle-like leaves that are tough and don't dry out easily. That's why they stay green all through winter.
Little science recap.
So here's what we learned. Spring, more chlorophyll, leaves turn green. Summer, chlorophyll is strongest, leaves are super green. Fall, less chlorophyll, leaves turn yellow and red. Winter, leaves fall off, trees rest. Did you learn something new today? If you like Dodo Science Corner, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you next time.
Thanks for watching. Bye.
Next time you're at the park, don't forget to look closely at the leaves. If you like Dodo, give us a like, hit subscribe, and ring the bell so you won't miss a thing.